Today, I'll show you how to do your Jaxx crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today, we're talking about another mobile wallet called Jaxx, and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about them, then I'll jump into the integration part of the video, and then lastly, I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. And obviously, as always, links down below if you need further assistance. But yeah, let's jump into it. So Jaxx was founded in 2016 and it's based out of Toronto, Canada. It is a cryptocurrency wallet enabling crypto to crypto buying and selling with frictionless in-wallet conversion. That's their mission statement. Jaxx can manage more than 100 wallets, including BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, and countless other popular cryptos. So yeah, that's enough about them. Let me show you how to do the integration for this wallet. Okay, so first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, create one. It's completely free to sign up and follow along until you're ready to get a plan. We're gonna go into the wallets area and click on add wallet, where we're gonna type in Jaxx, and then we're gonna click on this wallet. Now, there's a few different things to note here. Let's start off with the import from file. Currently on their mobile app, they do not have an option to export a CSV file. That could be subject to change when you're watching this video. If there is an option to export a CSV file, that's probably gonna be your easiest route. Alternatively, you can try and message their support team and ask for a CSV file. Sometimes they will reply and give you one. So let's get that one out of the way right away. The next one is the setup autosync. So I'm gonna click on that and explain a little bit how to get some of these tokens into your Koinly information, into your Koinly transactions. Okay, so let's talk about the popular coins, Ethereum. So first, to get this into Koinly, click on Connect Blockchain button down below. Find and select Ethereum on the following page. Enter a Ethereum public address. I will show you where to get that on the mobile app. So let's do that one first. So there is Ethereum, and here is your public address, which you will get from the app. Okay, so on the app, open up your Jaxx mobile wallet, find Ethereum, and click on it. It should be under your wallets area. Under the Receive tab, there should be a way, and there is, copy the address. So copy this address, find a way to either send it to yourself or write it down, and then paste it here into the public address area of Koinly. And it's as simple as that. Your Ethereum has been imported into Koinly. So for Bitcoin, you're gonna need something called a XPub key, which unfortunately is not that easy to find on their app. Actually, it's not there at the moment. It might be subject to change when you're watching this video. So another way to get your XPub key is to follow this guide that I made a while ago, about 9 months ago, for exporting XPubs from mobile wallets that do not have them easily accessible in their settings. Also, there's an article you can read. If you don't want to watch the video, that's perfectly fine. So that's one route you can take. Another route you can take, which might not be ideal, is to enter every Bitcoin address that you have used. So users can enter up to 20 different addresses into a single Bitcoin wallet on Koinly. Doing this will sync everything correctly, but it can be tedious if you have a lot of addresses, especially if you have over 20, which means you'll need to create multiple wallets on Koinly. This also is a bit suboptimal because you need to remember to add every new address that you use, since these addresses won't sync unless you add the individual addresses. So not the most ideal way unless you only have a few different Bitcoin addresses to deal with. Okay, so those are some of the options you can go with. Choose whichever you'd like. Once you've imported that data into Koinly, you're gonna go into your transactions area and double check, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. This is underneath the hood what's going on and how Koinly is calculating your capital gains, your costs and expenses, all that stuff. Also, if you have any kind of staking from other wallets, make sure to tag that correctly. So send to pool, send from pool, stuff like that. And once you're happy with everything there, go into the tax reports area for one final summary of your crypto activity. And then once you're happy with that, scroll on down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And then once you're happy with that, we have a bunch of different options depending on where you're from. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D Form 8949. You can also export the TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which, keep in mind, is a document you can print off and give directly to an accountant, and they will combine it with your other tax documentation. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. But that brings us to the end of this video. Obviously, one more thing is to check your country's rules and regulations because these tax reports might be deductible. But yeah, let's go into some help articles if you're still having problems. So I'll leave links to those down below. Firstly, we have the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. Then we have a forum section where we talk to members of our community as well as our staff. Then we have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And lastly, if all else fails, you can message us directly and we'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.